Spring cleaning. Freshen up your space and mind. Hello, everyone. Today, we'll dive into a very common phrase you might have heard, especially as winter turns to spring cleaning. Not only will we explore what this term means, but we'll also discuss its cultural significance and how it's used in everyday conversation. So, grab your cleaning supplies, and let's get started. Spring cleaning refers to the yearly tradition of thoroughly cleaning a house or space, typically in the spring. The concept involves more than just regular cleaning. It's about deep cleaning, getting to those corners and spaces that might not be part of the daily or weekly cleaning routine. This tradition is believed to have multiple origins, with cultural and religious practices influencing it in various parts of the world. There are several reasons why people engage in spring cleaning. Firstly, it's practical. After a long winter, homes are often in need of a thorough cleaning, with windows needing to be aired out and dust collected in hard-to-reach places needing to be cleaned. Secondly, it's symbolic. Spring represents a time of renewal and new beginnings. Cleaning and organizing one's space is often seen as a way to clear out the old to make room for the new. Finally, for many, it's tradition. In some cultures, spring cleaning is tied to religious or cultural ceremonies, marking an important time of the year. Spring cleaning can be a daunting task, but it's generally tackled in a methodical way. Here's a basic outline of the process. 1. Make a plan. Decide on the areas of your home that need the most attention. 2. Declutter. Remove items you no longer need or use. 3. Deep clean. Clean areas that don't usually get attention during regular cleaning. 4. Organize. After cleaning, organize your space to make it functional and pleasing. 5. Maintain. Create a regular cleaning schedule to keep your space clean and organized. The term, spring cleaning, isn't just used literally. In conversation, it can also mean to make major changes or to get rid of unnecessary things in aspects of life beyond just physical spaces. For example, someone might do a spring cleaning of their personal finances, meaning they're taking time to organize and possibly get rid of wasteful spending. And that wraps up our discussion on spring cleaning. Remember, this tradition is not just about cleaning your space, it's about refreshing your environment and, by extension, refreshing your life. Whether you're tackling a messy closet or reorganizing an aspect of your life, the spirit of spring cleaning can lead to a clearer mind and a fresh start. We hope this video has been insightful, and we wish you a productive and refreshing spring cleaning season.